Welcome. Today I'll guide you through the simple steps to allow a group owner to add admins on Telegram Web using your PC based on the latest update. First, open Telegram Web on your browser and log in to your account. Once you're in, navigate to the group where you are the owner. This is important because only the group owner has the ability to change these specific admin permissions. Next, click on the group's name at the top of the chat window. This will open the group's profile page. Look for the edit icon, usually represented by a pencil, and click on it to access the group settings. From here, select the Administrators option. You will see a list of current admins and the owner. Click on your name or the owner profile to open the owner's admin settings. Now, find the toggle labeled Add Admins and enable it. This permission allows the group owner to add new administrators to the group, giving them the ability to manage the group alongside you. After enabling this setting, make sure to click Save to apply the changes. That's it. You've successfully allowed the group owner to add admins on Telegram Web from your PC. This update makes managing your Telegram groups much easier, especially if you want to delegate responsibilities and keep your community running smoothly. Remember, only the owner can grant this permission, ensuring control stays secure. Thanks for watching, and enjoy managing your Telegram groups with these new admin features.